Hello everyone, I'm Zeenat Firdaus and I have Dr. Sukant Khurana with me. He is a very well-known entrepreneur, mentor, public speaker and a scientist. I welcome Dr. Sukant Khurana.
Thank you, Zenat. Thanks for having me.
So, sir, is it important to know MS Excel for job readiness? And what are the basic operations of Excel one should know?
Thanks for asking. See, unless you're an advanced data scientist and well beyond, use of tools like Excel. I'm not promoting any one product, but there is Excel and there's several other tools like Excel. But they are important for tabulation, basic data analysis, for especially non-professional data scientists, everyday job in offices. And it's shocking that so many students coming out of college don't know these skills. These skills are obviously vital for them to find a good job, be able to fit in any job setup. So the basic Excel skills, in my opinion, there are plenty. There are some intermediate and some are extremely advanced ones, which can make Excel into a very powerful tool and Excel-like tools into very powerful tools. So first is as simple as saving and opening a workbook. Second is managing worksheets. You're not just working on one workbook, it can have multiple worksheets. Formatting cells, you often adjust their width, height, whatnot, enter background color. Printing the Excel, if whether you're saving it in form of PDF or if you're taking a physical printout. Basic Excel functions, addition, subtraction, basic charts. Sorting data is rather easy in Excel. Finding and replacing any particular option that comes in handy rather than manually replacing things. Then paste special option, which will, when you're copying and you're pasting it, you can invert it, right? So you don't have to paste it that way. So if you want to change the column to row, row to column, that can be done easily with one click. And keyboard shortcuts become extremely important. Then beyond these, there are some actually very interesting advanced functions or intermediate functions which can make things very productive. So in intermediate, there is go to special. You can pivot tables. You can have a named range rather than manually select it. You can have drop down lists. You can have formatting which is conditional formatting. If X is, if this is the case, you can format and you can deal with large amount of data. And there are Excel tables, so you get a lot of summary information. So it's not just rows and columns; it's in proper tabular form. With that, there are idea buttons as you're working on the sheet. There are You can use spark lines. There is text to column, and there are quick analysis tools, and they all make using Excel very handy. On top of that, there are 5 features in Excel which are extremely advanced and useful, transforming a dagger almost into a gun in the sense that suitable for smaller data science projects, that you have advanced formula, not just simple addition multiplicative thing. You can insert your formula in Excel. You have Excel charts. You can actually use Visual Basic for applications, and you can have Power Query, and you can actually have a Power Pivot. So Excel is actually not a small tool. Excel is a must, and any kind of entry level thing requires use of such a tool. So obviously, you should go ahead, learn these things, and tutorials are by and large self-sufficient. If they're not, there are people willing to train you, and we at Ioncure train people to get more office ready, to be more job ready, and we are happy to train basic skills such as Excel to the most advanced data analytics tools, how to handle things in Hadoop, use the most cutting edge tools of machine learning. So we cover from somebody crawling to somebody running an Olympics. We cover a vast gamut, and Excel is one of them where we are happy to coach people.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for answering the question. That was helpful. So anyone who wants to join Ioncure for the free training program, Can apply at volunteer@ioncurerx.com. Thank you.